Pleasant day. Myself, Dr. A.Thanga Hemavathy, Associate Professor, Department of Pulses, Center for Plant Breeding, TNAU, Coimbatore, from Tamil Nadu. So the topic for today's discussion is mutation in crop improvement. So mutation is nothing but sudden heritable change in a specific character because of a permanent change in the DNA sequence of a gene. So this term was coined by Hugo de Vries in 1901. So he derived two different types, that is macro mutations and micro mutations. Macro mutations are in large, specifically in qualitative characters, example change in color, shape, etc. And micro mutations are specifically in biometrical traits, that is a yield and related traits, mainly quantitative traits. So this will plays a major role in plant breeding implications. So what are the different kind of mutations? The mutations are so many kinds. According to types of cells in which mutation occurs, there is two different types, that is somatic mutations and germinal mutations. Somatic mutations are non-heritable mutations, that is in body cells. Germinal mutations are heritable mutations, that is in reproductive cells. For example, short-legged sheep of Ankel. Next kind is on the basis of origin, that is a mode of origin, that is spontaneous, that is the natural mutations that will occur naturally, that is in Petunia plant. Induced mutations through artificially, specifically by mutagens. Based on the nature of their effect, that is in biochemical mutations and spurious mutations. So biochemical mutations are in the radial changes in biochemical constitutions. So the mutation will remain suppressed but expressed in offspring due to the crossing over while in the cell division process, specifically in pink eye color in Drosophila. And another kind is mutations based on their directions, that is a forward mutation and reverse mutation. Forward mutation is a new mutant type for a wild type. Reverse mutation is mutants revert to normal type. The next kind is based on type of chromosomes in which it occurs, that is in autosomes as well as the allosomes. Autosomal mutations are in autosomes and sex-linked mutations are in the sex chromosomes or allosomes. So another kind is based on the stages of occurrence, that is in the gametic mutations and zygotic mutations. Gametic mutations are mutations during gamete formation and zygotic mutations are in the zygotic formation, that is in the first or later mitotic divisions. So because of this, the mosaic organisms will be formed. Next one is the types of mutagens. So what is mutagens? Mutagens are the agents which will create a mutations. So mutagens can be classified into three different broad categories based on their origin. So that is a physical mutagens, which includes ionizing radiations such as X-rays, gamma rays and alpha particles and UV rays that will become your potential mutagens because of the high penetration nature. Next one is the chemical mutagens, that is elements which are arsenic, nickel and chromium and base analogous. They are considered as a mutagenic in nature. Next one is the biological mutations that will play major role because specifically by the bacteria that will involve transposons and viruses. So what are the different applications in crop improvements? Totally, by using these mutation studies, we can get more than 1029 mutant varieties that was released during from 1901 onwards. That is released in India. They are having a specific characters of disease resistance, modification of plant structure, nutrition quality augmentation, chemical composition alteration and inducing male sterility. So the mutation is a very important crop improvement program because they are cheapest and rapid method when you compare with the other methods. They are more effective for the oligogenic characters. That is the traits which will govern by one or two genes. So we can develop these crop by using these mutation breeding. So there are so many plenty examples are there, that is through mutation breeding. They are highly heritable nature and very easy to maintain the stability. So these are all the references. Thank you.